Students from across Georgetown displayed their creativity and innovation at the 16th Biennial Georgetown Department of Education, Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts and Mathematics Fair held at the St. Joseph High School. The event held under the theme Innovative Solutions through STEAM for Sustainable Development in Ghana highlighted students-led projects focused on sustainability, technology, and scientific advancement. Participants from St. Margaret's Primary, Tutorial High School, and Morgan's Learning Center delivered outstanding presentations, offering detailed explanations of their innovative displays.
Is our saltwater circuit. So over here I have salt, which is made up of the two chemicals Na and Cl. Na, which is sodium, and Cl, which is chlorine, but inside we say chloride. And here we have some distilled water, also known as battery water or deionized water, which means it contains no salt. We would usually use this in vehicles, cars, engines, and laboratory experiments. In this cup, I have both the distilled water and the salt, which makes ionized water, which means it contains salt. So over here, my colleague have a copper alligator clip and a silver alligator clip. As you can see, when we put them in and connect them, the light bulb is lighting.
And today we'll be explaining the process by which we made sugar from the sugarcane. So basically we peeled it and then we cut it to smaller pieces, then extracted the juice and boiled it down to a thick-like consistency so it would harden, and we used a non-stick pan. After it was hardened, we break it down into smaller pieces to form the sugar crystals, and then we flavored it. We have 6 different flavors, which is the cinnamon, turmeric, the mint, the vanilla, and the lemon flavor, and each has at least 3 beneficial health benefits.
The sugarcane residue, the baggies, that's what we used to boil in caustic soda and in water. And after that was finished boiling, we blended it to get a fine consistency that we needed, and we left it out to dry. And we made our own draining boards from the wood and the nail and hammer. And we spread a cloth over it so we can pour out our mixture on the cloth to let it dry in the sun and the air drying, as she said. And when that was finished drying, this is the result that we left with from the cane.
Normal paper that you use, you will know that it comes from a tree bar and it would look like white when they shape it out and use technology with it. So this is actually just from the sugarcane, that is why it is brown.
MLC created a generator that is called the Clean Green Electric Machine. This generator is eco-friendly, this generator is self-sufficient, and it eliminates all emissions, all greenhouse emissions.
Over the years, power outage rates have skyrocketed. This results the persons turning to gasoline-powered generators for the comfort of their homes. This temporary solution causes big issues such as global warming through greenhouse gas emissions. We, the students of Morgan's Learning Center, are pleased to introduce to you a clean green electric machine, to which we're referring to the CGEM. My colleagues will then explain to you the process and how it works.
We started off with a electric washing machine motor that powers our 13.5 to 14 volt alternator. The alternator then charges these two 12-volt batteries, which are set up in a parallel format. These batteries are set up in a parallel format so that it does not multiply, becoming 24 volts. We also figured that a battery charger could also be used as an alternator to charge these two batteries. The 12 volts from the batteries are transferred into the inverter, converting it into 240 volts. The 240 volts then goes to the transformer, which converts it into 112 volts. Then, our light bulb being on signifies that our circuits are running and it is a good flow of electricity flowing. This can be also used to power our television, our laptop over there, and also the refrigerator is also cooling.
The fair concluded today, leaving educators and attendees impressed with the level of creativity and critical thinking demonstrated by the young innovators.